They're not even joking. I'm about to go pro on all of you guys. This is literally what they call tearaba. I'll blow. I will scream light, do as I do as I do as I do. Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is softlife.com and welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always sticking around and thank you for also being here. And now for this video, this is going to be an unboxing video. So from the title of this video, you could already tell that this is going to be an unboxing video. In my previous video, I promised or said I was going to do an unboxing video for the recent items that I got, filming items that I got. So this video is all about that. And without much further ado, let's get right into it. So in case you're new to this channel, you should check out my previous videos where I talked about how I came about these items. And this video is more like a follow-up. So I'm going to be unboxing this gift that I got as a Hallyu Creator 3.0 with the Korean Cultural Center, Nigeria. So let's just get right into it. In my previous video, they were all in their separate bags, but for this one, I have decided to just put them all together and then release them one after the other. So for the first thing here, this one is pretty much already unboxed because it really did not come in a box. And this is a neck phone holder. So the way it is designed, okay, I'm just gonna have to check and be sure that this is capturing this in the best way possible. Okay, so I'm back and now this is for this phone holder. To be honest, I had to figure out how this thing works before coming on here so I don't embarrass myself. And so this is just how it is, right? It's kind of like a flexible metal. So and here has a cushion. It's kind of like a rubber foamy kind of cushion that you have to place behind your neck. So this is it basically. This is it basically, and then here is the phone bracket itself. I hope you can see. And now what I'm going to do is to unscrew this place. So this has to go in first. This screw has to go in first, and then this one here goes in, and then all I have to do is to screw on it until it is tight enough. So yeah, this is it now. This is the full structure. I hope you guys can see this. So I'm gonna try to put this over my neck. I feel like a Doctor Who right now. Or you can do it like this, or you can do it like this, and then the mobile phone goes in here. I think I can turn. The mobile phone goes in here. This is expandable. I'm not entirely sure if this is meant for filming, say, table level scenes or something like that, because this is quite wobbly, flexible metal, so it's kind of springy. I don't think this is going to be advisable for you to use to record a table setting, maybe when you're doing something like cooking or something like that. So I will figure it out as time goes. So anyways, that is pretty much it for this one. Yeah, so you see how easily collapsible this is, very flexible, and that's it for this one. And next in the bag is the Oraimo power bank. So I said before that this power bank comes with 3 cords attached to the power bank. So let's just open it and see. Oh yeah, as usual, it has its own charging cable. You just have to plug to or charger head and then you're good to go. And then here next is the power bank itself. Ooh, this is okay. Yep, this is literally what they call tearaba. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Sleek. I hope you guys can. Yeah. So in here, the cable, the iPhone cable one, is the normal USB cable one, the Type-C cable one. Yeah. So once you have your power bank charged, you're good to go. Yeah, because you have the chargers on here. so no need to pack charger, cord, head, everything. So this is really good, and I think this is really handy, and I am grateful for this. Next on the list is this light mount. I love this so much. This is really exciting for me. Now this is an LED 6R RGB video light. So I'm just gonna open this and let's see. By the way, the brand is Godox. A whole Godox. I'll blue. Yeah, this is just the manual leaflet, and this is the light itself, and then it has a connecting cable. This cable is a normal USB head and then the Type-C head, and that's all that is in here in the box. So this light at the back, it has FX, which is effect in the M sign, the mode. It has the arrow down and arrow up and power off and on button, and then the USB Type-C port. Also, it has this screw on here. You can attach this to maybe a tripod, so just in case I need extra lights for what I want to do. This is really exciting, and guys, this is very powerful. I mean, I was so curious and I opened it before now, and man, I must confess, this is really powerful. It looks small, but the power of the light is really high. So now I think you can use this by either connecting to direct electricity, or you can use a power bank. I'm gonna try to do this in a moment. Use a power bank to connect this. So I'm just gonna stick this on here. Get a power bank. This is also a Rimo power bank, and I got it from KCCN. Now you can actually also charge this because it shows me the battery level reading, meaning it is charging. I'm gonna actually have to read this manual to be sure if I'm supposed to use it with a power bank or really connect to direct light. Now I'm turning this on, and this is it. Already is giving different colors. I think I should turn off this light so that you guys can see. So all I have right now is the ceiling bulb light in the room, and this is the light. What is it giving? So that is it for this one. This is so dope. See you guys, cinematic videos are coming very soon. So moving on, this is a 1 terabyte my passport hard drive, and this is totally so cool because I get to offload and, you know, save my files on here without having to overload my computer or overload my phone. This is really amazing. KCC, thank you so much. You really rock. So I'm just gonna open this. Oh yeah, so see packaging now here. Jesus. This is it, guys. And then there's a cord behind. I don't think I need to further open this one because it looks a little too tough, but anyway, this is what it looks like. Moving on is this. So this right here is one of my favorites in this entire gift collection. This is a video making kit, UC shape portable handheld bracket stabilizer kit, and on here it contains a tripod, it contains LED lights, it contains a microphone, a universal smartphone holder, and a remote control. And now this is also suitable for a camera as well as a mobile phone, as you can see on here and on here. So let us go right into it and see what they're actually talking about. Okay. They're not even joking. So, ooh, look at this. Ah, oh my god. No way. I actually underestimated these. I didn't know it was going to be like this. I mean, I could see it from here, but I thought it was going to be a little, maybe lightweight or flimsy or something. But this is actually sturdy. You guys, hey god, content creation. I'm about to go pro on all of you guys. So this is the U-shape bracket. I'm going to have to figure out how all of these things work, but okay. Okay, so this is the first one on there, and in the box as well I have the light. I have another light. How about going lights? Ooh! It requires battery because there's a battery port at the back. I think it's going to require the very small size of finger battery, and it's 3 it's gonna need, so I'm gonna get that. It also has its power off and on button on there, and the same thing with the other one where you can actually screw it to something to make it stabilized, and you can use it to work at the same time. And next, hey, the microphone. Is this a real microphone? It's a real microphone, guys. It's a real microphone. Oh my god, this is the wind filter or something, the pop filter. This is the microphone. So yeah. Okay, what we have now is the phone brackets. Normal phone brackets for your phone. This one is, you guys already know about this one. So you have this one on here, and the next you have is the, oh yeah, this is the jack, the connecting cord for the microphone to your device. I don't see a remote control. So I'm just gonna have to probably ask any of my colleagues if they had remote controls in their box. So last but not the least is this right here. This is like my favorite in this entire gift collection, and this is an auto face tracking selfie stick tripod. There you go, aka Gimbal. So I'm gonna be unboxing this. Ooh, see, the catchy thing about this particular item here is that it is actually auto tracking. I mean, it tracks your face, so if you get it stationed here and you set it to track your face and you move this way, the camera is going to move that way. Do as I do as I do as I do. Anyways, let's get this open so that we can move on. I have been really itching to start to use these items, but because I haven't done an unboxing video, I had to restrain myself. So teeny weeny manual that came out of it, and this is what I know for it to be the stand, the base. This is the stand. Also from it is a Type-C USB cord, and this is the tripod itself. It's so cute, looks like a toothbrush. So yes, this is it. Wow. Okay, so this is Magic Snapshot P01 auto face tracking selfie stick tripod. It's intelligent tracking, gesture shot, and fits tripods. Okay, so from my understanding, you can actually still place this on a higher tripod if you feel like this is too small. So this is more like a table sized okay, so there we have it. Oh yeah, I think this also turns this way and it turns this way, and I think you have, this is the power button on here. Okay, this is exciting. So I'm just gonna take this off, and I will certainly charge these items and start to use them. So this is the end of my unboxing video, so please do let me know in the comments down below which items from this gift collection is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it up until this level, you are a superstar. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.